Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to buy Crosshair X. All right. So first up, you would need Steam, okay, to buy Crosshair X. Now, if you don't have Steam, just go ahead and open up your favorite browser, okay. In here, just go ahead and type down Steam. Hit on enter. Now go ahead and click on install Steam from the options right here. Okay, click on install Steam, follow simple prompts, and if you don't have an account, it will ask you to create an account. So just go ahead and do so. So once you have it installed and you already have your account, open up Steam and it will look like this. Okay, so what you'll do is just go ahead over to store, like so, wait for it to load. And once it loads, we have the search bar right here at the very top. So just click on it and find Crosshair X. Okay, so what you'll do is just click on Crosshair X right here. And you'll be able to see a buy now option in this section like this one. Okay. Add to cart. All right. So just add to cart. Now click on this drop down. Make sure that this is for yourself. Okay. And click on view my card. Now just go ahead and click on continue the payment right here. Add in your credit or debit card or MasterCard. And once that's done, or once it's paid, it will be available right here in your uncategorized section from your Steam library. All right, that is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.